Hi, I'm Bo with Karcher, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 2 iScrub 22 Deluxe SP. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to operate and maintain your Chariot 2 iScrub 22 Deluxe SP. So let's get started. To begin using your Chariot 2 iScrub 22 SP, unplug from the wall and store the cord. Fill the machine with solution and detergent. Check the squeegee to make sure it's clean and free of debris. Check to make sure that the hopper is clean. Check and replace the brush if needed. When it's time to transport your Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe to the job site, you'll need to first step on the operator presence switch on the back of the platform. Turn the key on, select the transport mode that you want to use, select the direction, either forward or reverse on the direction switch, and then depress the foot pedal. Once you've reached the job site, select the cleaning mode you want to use. When you're finished using your Chariot 2 iScrub 22 SP, it's time to get it ready for storage. The first thing we're going to do is empty and rinse the recovery tank. One great option is to use a bowl brush to clean corners to make sure that all debris is removed. Next, we're going to empty the solution tank.
Remove the brushes. Clean and rinse. Store the brush upright.
Clean the hopper, and we'll be sure to clean and rinse the squeegees so they're free of debris. The final step will be to plug the unit in so that it can be charged and ready for the next use. So there you have it. You now know how to operate and maintain your Chariot 2 iScrub 22 Deluxe SP. Until next time, keep it clean.